Good evening, MMM. Now I will show you my get help from MMM. Now this is my request to get help, my transaction. My name is Jamil from QC, and I request to get help amounting 11,400 pesos. Wow, big money. I request to get help on September 30, 2015. Now, this is the summary of my transaction from MMM Extra. So I deposit 6,000, then the accrued interest of 6,000, 2,240, and I also provide help on 2015 on September 18, 3,000. Then the accrued interest of 3,000 is 150. Total 11,400. Now this is my provider. 6 person. The first person is Jimmy, Mr. Jimmy, who provides 600. The second is, not mentioned his name, who provide 2,400 pesos. The third is Dina Insight, 1,500 pesos. Fourth, Alipio Juanito, who provide 2,100. The fifth is Caroline, who provide 2,500 pesos. And the last is Mr. Brian, who provide 2,300 pesos. In total of 11,400. Wow, thank you. Thank you, MMM, for providing me a help. Thank you. Mabuhay po kayo. Also, I thank to my manager, Sherwin Bertin, and to founder of MMM, Sir G. Mabrudin. Mabuhay po kayo, sir. And I encourage you all to join MMM. The community will help you, and you will help the community. Together we change the world. Thank you, MMM. Bye-bye.